guys, welcome back to Super Slick Slimes. I'm Ella, and today I'm going to be making a mystery slime box for my friend. And I've been delaying this video for a long time, like months now, because I never felt like doing the intro, but now I am. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, so the first slime I'm going to be making today is probably the simplest one, and it's going to be the orange creamsicle slime. So this one's just going to be like a orange fluffy slime, scented as orange creamsicle, and yeah, you got it. This is my orange creamsicle set. It says orange sickle. I don't know why, but I'm gonna add some of that. It smells so good. Okay guys, here is my slime. And it's a glossy, fluffy slime. And the texture is really weird, but in a good way. I think it's because I put the shower gel in it. And I really like it, and it smells exactly like orange creamsicle. I'll give you guys a closer look. Guys, here's the slime. So this is the slime, and it fits exactly in the container, like perfectly fits. So yeah, let's get on to the next slime. So this is the slime, as I said a million times, but I made this little label and printed it out. It says orange creamsicle. So I'm just gonna glue it on there. So I glued it on, and I think it looks really cute, but it kind of bothers me that this is over to the side and not over there and in the middle, but it's okay. So yeah, let's get on to the next slime. So I finished making my base slime, and I overactivated it a tiny bit, not a lot, but and it's kind of little. See, it's only half the container full. But I'm going to add instant snow, and that's going to make it grow a lot. So, yeah, I'm going to get my instant snow ready. So, I got my instant snow. And I'm going to add it into my slime. Okay, guys. So, I finished making my cloud slime. To be honest, I think it's the best cloud slime I've ever made. It's so drizzly, and it fluffs up so nice. Wait, oh shoot, look. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. So this is the slime. It might look kind of hard, but it's so stretchy and drizzly, so look how drizzly. So I'm gonna split it into two pieces. So I split it into two, and I'm gonna color this one pink and this one blue. So I colored each of them, and I think this one is a lot bigger than this one for some reason. So, yeah. I was planning to put them in here, but they're too big for that. So I'm going to put it in this container. So here it is. So this is the label. It says Cotton Candy Cloud, and it has a cotton candy, and it's not a very good circle, but it's okay. Okay guys, so I just made another base slime, and it's just white. And this one is going to be a candy corn slime. and it smells like candy corn. Like that's the scent. But I put so much of it and it doesn't really smell like candy corn for some reason. Or maybe, I think it's just like the scent that doesn't smell like candy corn in general. But yeah. So I had an idea to split this into 3 parts. So it's like yellow, orange, and white, like candy corn. The first one, I'm just gonna, is the white one. I'm gonna make this one a foam, well not a full foam, just like have some foam beads in it. This is the foam slime. It's really nice. The next one, I'm gonna do orange, and I'm gonna make it an orange butter slime. So I'm gonna get some orange clay. So here's my orange clay. I'm gonna add it into my slime. So this doesn't look orange. It looks like more like pinkish. It looks like the pink Dazo clay color, but like a little bit darker. And I don't like it. So guys, I finally found my orange food coloring. I don't know why, I just couldn't find it for some reason. Okay guys, so it turned more orange and I like it more now. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit more. So I think this is the perfect texture. It's really nice and spreadable and this has a nice texture. So yeah, and now the next one, well the last one, is my yellow slime. I'm gonna make this one a cloud slime. So I got my snow, so now I'm gonna add it in. Okay guys, so I finished the cloud slime, and it's not that good, but I'm gonna add my yellow food dye into it. So this is how it turned out. It's like popcorn. And, so this is the white one again. This is the orange one. I really like the orange one. The orange one's my favorite. And the yellow one's my least favorite because it's not a really good cloud slime. So actually the cloud slime can fill up this whole entire container. So I'm gonna have to use only like a quarter of it. So I put the cloud slime on the bottom. I think I put a little too much. So now I'm gonna add the orange, and I hope I don't have to add a lot of this because I really like this one. Yeah, I don't have to add a lot of that. And then last, I'm gonna add my white. So this is my candy corn slime. I think it looks really cool. And I'm gonna actually see what happens. I'm gonna like mix the ones that I have left over together. But I'm just gonna keep a little bit of the orange one out because I like the orange one. I wanna see what like texture it brings. So it makes like this weird color. What like color is this one? What? This is like a really weird color, but it's cool. And it's like a cloud slime, and it like drizzles, but it's really stretchier than the cloud slime in there. So I think it's good. But since it's a cloud slime and a butter slime, so now all the foam beads are falling out of it. I put the cap on, and this is what it looks like. You can't really see the white anymore, but it's really nice. Okay guys, so this is the slime. Again, it's the yellow cloud slime, orange butter slime, and white, but you can't really see it because the cover is covering it. And then I made the label, and it says candy corn, and it has a little candy corn. So yeah, let's get on with the next slime. Okay guys, so I made this really nice base slime. and it's like glue all based, so it's like really thick and nice. I kind of wish I had the slime for myself because it's really, really nice. And I scented it as root beer because I'm gonna make it root beer slime. So I was thinking I'm gonna like leave like this much, or like this much, just like regular white, and I'm gonna dye this the color like brown for like root beer, and then gonna put this like on top of it so it looks cool. So yeah. Okay, so I found this like brown paint, and I'm gonna like put this in. This is like the only brown like food coloring thing I have, so yeah. Okay guys, so this is the color. It looks like grayish brown now, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Like, I don't know what brown I'm thinking of, but it's not like this color brown. Okay guys, so here's the slime. I think this is a better brown than before. And I'm absolutely obsessed with this because like it's just like so good. And it wasn't that hard to make. It took like 5 minutes. In the container, and it goes up to like here. And then this white piece that I saved from before, I'm gonna like swirl it on top kind of. Oh, this looks like hot chocolate. So this is what it looks like. It looks like hot chocolate. I thought it wasn't gonna look like, I thought it was gonna look like root beer, but it's okay. So with the cover, this is how it looks like. It's this highlighter pink because it was from something else. But I'm gonna put the label on it now. Okay guys, so I'm sorry it's bad lighting in here, but I made another slime like yesterday, and it's still not cleared up all the way. See, there's still like some bubbles in it and stuff, but some of that's still the container. And it's like Starburst slime, and I'm gonna be putting these little fruit things in there because I think that would be cute. This is the slime. It's like really clear. Like, look at that. But really, I've been thinking of, like, you know how people do glitter? I feel like I want. Okay, I just spilled that everywhere. But I'm just gonna like pour like these on. So guys, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna just do some ASMR now. Oh. Guys, that is so cool. Oh, that's so cool. I don't want to take it out. Well, oh my god, I just did. Anyway, oh, this is sticky. It's like melted. But that's so cool. Guys, this is so clear and nice. It's a little bit like weird and sticky. But like, look how cool that looks. Especially when it's like all cleared up again, because I was just playing with it. So yeah. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell right there to be part of the Super Slick Slime Squad. I am so sorry if this is the cringiest video that there is. because it is mine, and I made this such a long time ago, and I'm just very unpleased with it. But by the way, she did like the slime box. I put it all in like a box and stuff, and these people are not her, but we were trying to do like slime pet peeves, and I just videoed it. So here are those clips. Go. So yeah, I am very happy with the slimes that I gave to her, and it was very fun to make. So yeah, comment down below if you would like a mystery slime box. Because I think just mystery slime boxes are so cool. You can get them off of Etsy and stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!